You know, tonight I want to talk about hydrogen. This one then is oxygen. This one is hydrogen. And the water is being ripped apart and the hydrogen start filling up. And so you start to get a negative potential, and it'll puff for quite a while with a little bit of hydrogen that we made. Let's see if I can ignite the fire from a distance. Are you ready?
Oh my goodness.
And I just happen to have a North Pole manipulator. You see how I'm changing the memory? That's how memory works. Okay, I'm going to send the first student in.
No. Oh my God.
Everyone that participates in Science Live, you are all part of a project. I believe that in this community of brilliant minds that do Science Live every week and do the other courses in Acellus, we're going to see some of the most amazing and important and significant inventions of the next 50 years. So I want to be a catalyst. I want to catalyze you to greatness. And the fact that I get to sit on this stage is such an honor. And where do I get my fuel? Well, I fuel my car with hydrogen, but I fuel my energy to do what I'm doing by the power of realizing that I might be changing the world by catalyzing you and your potential in your future. So don't let me down. I'm counting on you. Do something great. Thank you. See you next time.